Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest, most natural, and most enjoyable way. There's no need to stress over grammar books or spend hours memorizing. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's how you'll improve your English while discovering the most fascinating stories in U.S. history. Today, we're going to explore one of the most incredible land deals in world history, the Louisiana Purchase, how the U.S. doubled in size overnight. It's a story of ambition, opportunity, and a bit of luck. Let's travel back to the year 1803. At that time, the United States was still a young nation, with only 13 original states and a few Western territories. Everything west of the Mississippi River belonged to France, and the land was known as the Louisiana Territory. This massive area stretched from what is now Louisiana all the way up to the Rocky Mountains, covering about 828,000 square miles. The President of the United States at the time, Thomas Jefferson, believed that expanding westward was essential for the future of the country. He originally just wanted to buy the port of New Orleans, a key trade route at the mouth of the Mississippi River. But France, under the leadership of Napoleon Bonaparte, was dealing with costly wars in Europe and a failed colony in the Caribbean. Napoleon needed money, and quickly. So instead of just selling New Orleans, he made a shocking offer. He would sell the entire Louisiana Territory for only $15 million. That's about 4 cents an acre. The United States accepted the deal immediately. Overnight, the size of the country doubled, and the U.S. gained control of vast lands full of natural resources, rivers, and future opportunities. The Louisiana Purchase had a major impact on American history. It paved the way for westward expansion, new settlements, and the famous Lewis and Clark expedition, which explored the new territory. It also raised big questions about slavery, Native American rights, and the role of the federal government, all issues that would shape the nation for decades. Though controversial at the time, the Louisiana Purchase is now seen as one of the smartest and most important decisions in U.S. history. It showed how one deal, based on bold thinking and a little bit of luck, can change the destiny of an entire nation. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about how the U.S. doubled in size overnight with the Louisiana Purchase, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That's your chance to review what you've learned and strengthen your understanding of English and American culture. Please like this video and share it to help us continue growing and creating even more powerful content for you. See you in the next adventure.